Statements in KPI.com. Previously, we explored how to configure campaign settings, create customers, suppliers, and products, and generate invoices and orders. In this video, we will focus on managing accounting and generating financial reports. Setting up accounting. To start managing your accounting, follow these steps. Via Settings, Account, Currency Rates. You can set rates if you work with multiple currencies. Use Settings, Account, Accounting to customize numbering. The code range for accounts is set based on their types. You cannot create more accounts of a specific type than the limit specified in the table. Therefore, carefully plan your account structure before creating new accounts. Navigate to Account, Bank Account, and enter the required details. The account code is a system identifier assigned according to the table. Opening balance, it is current balance and currency. Via Settings, Account, Chart of Account section, you can manage both system-generated and custom accounts. New bank accounts will automatically appear here. When a currency is added, accounts receivable and accounts payable accounts are generated automatically. When setting up an account, select an account type to determine how it will be reflected in reports. If multiple expense categories need to be grouped under one parent account, you can assign a parent account. Creating documents. To better visualize financial reports, let's create several key documents. Sales invoice. Create a new invoice in AED, in addition to existing invoices. Bank payment. Transfer funds from the bank account to the payroll account. Manual entry. Move funds between accounts as needed, such as recording unplanned expenses. Key reports in the statement section. To view a statement of account for a customer or supplier, access their profile. Profit and loss report. This report summarizes the company's income, costs, and expenses over a specific period. Gross profit, total earnings minus the cost of goods sold. Net profit, revenue after deducting production costs and all operating expenses. To view details, click on any amount to open a breakdown report. Amounts are displayed in the account's currency. Clicking a document number opens the document, while clicking an ID reveals the transaction report. Balance sheet. The balance sheet outlines the company's total assets and how they are financed, following the fundamental equation. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. The left side lists all assets. The right side displays liabilities and equity. Trial balance. This report lists all general ledger account balances at a specific point in time, covering assets, liabilities, equity, income, expenses, profits, and losses. It helps verify the balance between debit and credit entries. Aged receivables. Aged payables. This report displays outstanding invoices that customers have yet to pay. It categorizes receivables by overdue periods, 30-day intervals, and summarizes the total amount due. To match trial balance data with aged receivables, you can create a trade receivable account and set it as the parent for all accounts receivable. This ensures consistency across reports. Aged receivables includes only accounts receivable. If you assign trade receivable as a parent to other accounts, they won't appear in aged receivables, but they will still be reflected in the trial balance. Aged payables. This report is the counterpart to aged receivables, showing unpaid invoices that the company owes to suppliers. Journal report. A detailed list of transactions, allowing for easy search and review. Account transactions. This report summarizes all transactions linked to a specific account. Stock valuation. This report provides a detailed overview of product movements, tracking when and at what price each item was purchased or sold, its source and its destination, quantities, and remaining stock. This report is also accessible from a product's profile. Our system follows the first in, first out principle, where the oldest inventory items are sold or used first. This method ensures accurate cost allocation and inventory valuation. Until all items originally purchased at 100 are sold, the items purchased at 800 will not start selling. By following these steps, you can efficiently track financial performance and maintain accurate records. Sign up now for a free trial on kpi.com. Questions or queries can be sent to email or WhatsApp.